Hello everyone, welcome to Kanishta Coders. In today's class, we are going to learn how we can make an animated tabla. Okay, and we're also going to learn how we can change and add various sounds to your sprites. So let's get started. What are we waiting for? So let's delete this sprite because we don't need this naughty cat. Let's go to the stage and find a stage for us in this backdrop option. Let's go to music and find theater 2. Okay, so our stage is ready. Now we need the sprite. Let's go to the option and choose a sprite. And let's stage for some, yeah, drums, tabla. How about them? Let's put them at a position in their accurate position. Okay, now let's see over here. Let's do some research. If we go on the sounds, there are like 1, 2, 3 and 4 sounds. If I run them, let's see. Second sound, third sound, fourth sound. Okay, so we have 4 sounds aligned with us. After that, if you check the costume, there are 2 costumes. One is this and this. So we will make them moving also, and we will change and put all these 4 sounds and let the tablas play now. Okay, so let's go to events and when space key pressed. Okay, so when you're going to press space key, what should happen? Let's say forever. Let's go to controls and search for forever because we want it to continuously play. And let's go to sounds. Let's go to start sound over here, and let's take the first tabla sound, and then after that select the wait option, and let us make the wait very small, like 0.3 seconds. Okay, now just copy this, duplicate, again copy this and duplicate, again copy this and duplicate it. This should be placed here, but now change the sounds. Can you see it, how magically it is playing? So when I click on this flag and then click on the space, then it's working. So actually what we have done, it is very simple, not so difficult. We have just taken this button which says when the space key is pressed. So on the keyboard, when you are going to press the space bar, okay, the long one, the space bar which is there in the middle, okay, when you're going to press that space bar, what is going to happen is going to play a tabla sound, and then we are putting some second gap, and then another tabla sound, gap, another tabla sound, gap, another tabla sound, and a gap. So this is just a series of pattern that we are making out here, and we are enjoying the tabla music that we have made. But now actually I want the tablas to also move. We want them also to be animated. Let me just tell you how we can do it. We already have seen that it has 2 costumes in it. One is this and the other one is this. So let's see how we're going to do it. We are again going to take when the space key is pressed. So simultaneously 2 things are happening. One is the sound will be playing, and second will be the animation. So when the space key is pressed, what you are going to do, you're going to the option which says forever. Okay, and we're going to go to looks because we want to change the looks. First we were changing the sound, so we went to the sound. Now we're changing the look, we're changing the appearance. So switch the costume to tabla A, let's take it, and then we can take the weight option. Let's make the weight very small, 0.3. Okay, now let's again just duplicate it and paste it over here, but now make it tabla B. Now let's run it and see what should happen. Now we have clicked on the flag, this one. Now press the spacebar. Can you see the magical movement of these tabla? You you can just increase the size now if you want to see it on the full screen, and click on the green button, but it will not run. You have to press the space key. So in this way, actually, we learned in this class that how we can use the concepts of sounds in Scratch. We learned how we can start and change the sounds also, how we can use the wait button to put some gaps, and how we can just tell it that when to start. When you're going to press the space key, the both of them can start, and you can see that simultaneously, when as soon as I press the space key, this sound things are also going to happen, and as well as this animated things are also going to happen. Both of them will occur simultaneously. I hope you enjoyed this cute little small video. Keep supporting us at Kanishta Coder and keep liking us. Thank you for watching.